So I know during this time with, elections and everything that it is a high stress, anxiety ridden time. We're still in a pandemic, but I cannot encourage you enough to get out into nature, enjoy life's simple pleasures, enjoy the very things that sometimes we take for granted. Get out, get you some nature therapy. Let's get some vitamin D. Let's, get you as much as the sun gonna get you with these masks and stuff. And yeah, just walk and chill. Grab a friend, grab a fur baby, or even do it by yourself. Nonetheless, make sure that you are taking care of you during this time. Climbing down the overpass, see this nice little view. I believe this is a part of the Kankakee River. I'm going to show you from whence we came. We came from up, there's some trees blocking it, but we came from up there. It was a steep slope, but fun times. Very, very fun times. I've just been informed by Mr. L.K. Brands himself that we're wearing the wrong attire for this. We should have been in Adventures Await.
Because an adventure can wait for you at any given moment. You gotta be ready. You gotta be ready for it.
I mean, I feel like we live in life to its fullest. He came out here extra fresh to death with the J's on. Me, of course, with them Live, Learn, Love, high sneakers. And yeah, we definitely we're about to do some rock climbing. We definitely did some real hiking. And all we planned on doing was just walking around and looking at the fall foliage. But when you're living life to its fullest, you got to be ready and stay ready.
That's true.
For all life's adventures. So whether we have on Adventures Awaits or Live Life Fully, either way it goes, we do it.
Shit, whatever she said, you heard her. Live life fully and your adventures await.